Hi, I'm Abby with Boulevard Home. Today we're going to be making our third recipe on our vegetarian recipes on the Traeger. This one's one of my favorites. It's honey glazed pineapple. This recipe is so easy. All you have to do is cut the skin off the pineapple. You're gonna mix the cinnamon and brown sugar. You're gonna coat the pineapple with that mixture. You're gonna throw on some honey and put it on the grill. So we're ready to throw the pineapple on the grill. It's been preheating for 15 minutes at 500, and this Traeger doesn't have a 500 on the temperature gauge, so we just put it on high. So we're gonna cook this pineapple on 500 for 30 minutes. You are gonna wanna flip it occasionally so it doesn't get burned on one side. As you can see, the brown sugar and honey and stuff has kind of dripped into the drip tray, but that's totally normal and pretty easy to clean out once you're done. We're finally done. The pineapple has been cooking for 30 minutes, so we're gonna pull it out, cut it up, and serve it. And that's it, perfectly grilled pineapple. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and comment below what recipes you'd like to see next.